Assalamualaikum students, today we will discuss the topic types of soil. Basically, different types of soil have different size of particles. But how we can recognize different types of soil? If we squeeze, means press some soil between our fingers, we maybe feel it crumbly. Crumbly means it easily broken into small pieces or converted into powder when we press. Or it may be soft or sticky according to its type. Now we will compare the three types of soil: sand, silt and clay. Let's see the differences between sand, silt and clay. Sand is light in color, but silt color is beige to black. If we talk about clay, basically clay come in several ranges of color. For example, red, rusty, orange, brown, gray, etc. The particles that are present in sand are larger and can be seen easily. But the silt particles are very fine or tiny pieces of rocks and can't be seen easily. The clay particles are much smaller than as compared to silt and sand particles. Sand particles feel gritty and coarse. What means of gritty? Basically, gritty means containing or covered with grit. Or grit means collection of hard and small rocks. Coarse basically texture that is rough to touch. The particles of the silt are not gritty, but their appearance or texture is very smooth. Their particle texture or appearance are also very smooth and fine. The particles of the sand does not hold water, but the particles of the silt retain water. That's why sand is not good choice for plant and silt is best soil for growing plants. In case of clay, its particles retain lots of water. That's why clay is very sticky and can be easily molded into any shape. But the space between clay particles are so small, that's why plant roots cannot penetrate through them and cannot get air. Due to this reason, bacteria and insects cannot breathe in clay. The particles of sand not stick together when wet, but silt particles stick together. Students.